Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Fact Odyssey. So, do you think you know everything about your favorite fall drink? You know, the one you dream about as soon as the leaves start to turn? Yeah, that's right, the pumpkin spice latte. We're talking about the drink that basically makes the fall season a million times better. Today's video will reveal 5 shocking secrets about the pumpkin spice latte that will change how you indulge in this fall favorite. But be sure you stay around for the last secret. I promise it's going to be a real head-scratcher. Alright, first up, let's talk about speed. Speed is everything in today's fast-paced world. You know how some things take, like, forever to develop? It can be so frustrating, right? New phones, electric cars, the next season of your favorite show, they all seem to take ages to come out. Well, the pumpkin spice latte, it only took 3 months from idea to your hot little hands. That's right, just 3 months. Can you even believe that? 3 months! It's almost like a miracle in the world of product development. A Starbucks team got together, whipped up some magic in the lab, and bam! The pumpkin spice latte was born. They worked tirelessly, experimenting with flavors and ingredients. And let me tell you, it was an instant hit, and people couldn't get enough of it. People were lining up around the block, posting pics on their flip phones. Yeah, it was 2003, and basically losing their minds over this pumpkin-spiced goodness. The excitement was palpable, and the pumpkin spice latte quickly became a cultural phenomenon. So, you know how some things are, like, just okay in other countries? You might find that your favorite snack or drink doesn't quite hit the same way abroad. Like, maybe they don't get your sense of humor, or they think your favorite band is totally lame. It's like cultural differences can be a real thing, right? Well, the pumpkin spice latte, total rock star, worldwide. It's like the universal language of cozy vibes. From Japan to Dubai, people are all about that pumpkin spice latte life. It's like a global phenomenon that everyone's embracing. And the best part? They've made it their own. Each place adds its own twist to the classic. In Japan, you can get a matcha pumpkin spice latte. Matcha. It's a unique fusion of flavors. And in Dubai, they're all about that rose-flavored pumpkin spice situation. Rose. It's like a floral twist on the classic. It's like the pumpkin spice latte is a blank canvas for global flavor adventures. Each country adds its own flair, making it a truly international sensation. Okay, are you ready for this one? This is where things get a little intense. So, you know how everyone's always talking about sugar these days? Too much sugar. Not enough sugar. All the sugar? Well, brace yourselves because that pumpkin spice latte you enjoy so much, it's got more sugar than a can of soda. I know, right? Mind blown. We're talking like a whole avalanche of sugar in every sip. But hey, it's fall, right? Everything in moderation, my friends. But maybe don't tell your dentist about this one. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the pumpkin in the latte? Let's be honest, people are straight up addicted to this stuff. And I don't blame them. It's not just a drink, it's an experience. A seasonal ritual that people look forward to every year. It's like a warm hug in a cup with a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. The aroma alone can transport you to a cozy autumn day. But what makes the pumpkin spice latte so irresistible? Is it nostalgia? Flavor? Or something else? Well, my friends, it's science. The intricate blend of spices, sugar, and caffeine works wonders on our taste buds and brain chemistry. The combination of sugar, spices, and caffeine creates a perfect storm of deliciousness that basically hijacks your brain and says, "Give me another pumpkin spice latte." Or else. It's a delightful addiction that many are happy to indulge in season after season. Alright folks, are you ready for the biggest secret of them all? The one that might rock your world? Here it is. There's no actual pumpkin in the pumpkin spice latte. I know, my mind was blown too. It's like finding out Santa isn't real, but it's true. The flavor comes from a magical blend of spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. So there you have it. The truth is out there. The pumpkin spice latte, delicious, addictive, and completely pumpkin-free. So there you have it. We've journeyed into the heart of the pumpkin spice latte, uncovering its rapid rise to fame, its global domination, its shocking sugar content, its addictive nature, and the mind-blowing truth about its lack of actual pumpkins. It's been a wild ride, my friends, but we've made it through together. So tell me, after learning all these shocking secrets, will you still be sipping your pumpkin spice latte this season? Which fact surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know if you'll still be sipping your pumpkin spice latte this season.